Hello students, welcome back. The topic that we are taking today is kinds of sentences. This is the continuation of our previous topics in which we have learned about sentences and its parts. So my dear children, today we will discuss about kinds of sentences. Basically, sentences divided into four categories. First category is assertive or declarative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Very first, we have assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that says or states something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. For example, she sings every morning. Here it is making a statement. Second is the sky is blue. Here again a statement is being made. So it is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Children, you should keep in mind that assertive or declarative sentences always ends with a full stop. Now, let's move on second kind of sentences, that is interrogative sentence. Sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Here you have to remember that interrogative sentences always have a question mark at the end. In simple way, we can say that interrogative sentences are basically ask question and they are followed by a question mark. I make you clear more about interrogative sentences with the help of few examples. First example is how are you? Here it is asking a question. Second is where do you live? Again a question is being asked here. So it would be called an interrogative sentence. Let's move on. Third kind of sentence, that is imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command, request or advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, hurry up. Here it is giving a command. It is showing a command. Second example is please give me a pencil. Here it is showing a request to somebody. It is asking a request to somebody. Children, if you notice, in this sentences no subject is written here because the subject you is understood here. Let's come to the fourth kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Sentences which express sudden feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Here you have to remember that the mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentences. We put the mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Children, here you can see that I have written few examples of exclamatory sentences. First example is what a fine day it is. It is expressing a wonder. It is expressing a wonder. Second example is hurrah, we have won the match. Hurrah, we have won the match. Here it is expressing a feeling of joy and happiness. So it would be called an exclamatory sentence. So, dear children, today we have learnt about kinds of sentences. I hope you understood the topic. Now, I would request to all of you read the chapter at home and write down the exercise in book that I have already sent on school app. Thank you. Have a nice day.